We are gonna be exposing chicken and haters, but it's an awkward thing for this because I don't really mind this person, but she's weird. If you this, if you hate the game like Chicken Gun, why do you keep on spending time hitting on them? And also some of them are inappropriate. New outer that's an OC by the way. I'm not gonna be a bitch again because Crazy Cat Girl said I was being a bitch. You cannot believe this. You can see this person just put emojis on some like chicken gun person profile, and bro just automatically stole exactly films from Timu's video. Why do you want to do that?
Scoobity Bum Bum with Scoobity Bum.
Scooby Bum Bum. What's so interesting about that? What is her most popular video? You cannot do that, bro. You're on a Nautilus. Yo, the comments are wild. The likes are only 7, but the comments are like high to like 100 like that. You actually deserve that, to be honest. How dare you do that to my friend? That is my friend, you know. I don't care. He's my mate. I'm gonna do the same for you.